Welcome to MCAD Solutions, where we help you take your design skills to the next level. Today, we're going to talk about gas cutting and how does it work, and can you cut ST52 to 3 mat 200 thick by gas cutting? Gas cutting is a process that uses a high-pressure jet of oxygen to cut through metal. Gas cutting is a two-step process. First, a fuel gas such as acetylene is burned to create a hot flame. This flame heats the metal. Once the metal is heated, a jet of oxygen is directed at the metal. The oxygen reacts with the heated metal to create a high-temperature flame that cuts through the metal. The thickness of the metal that can be cut by gas cutting depends on the type of fuel gas, the pressure of the oxygen, and the size of the cutting torch. ST52 to 3 is a type of steel that is commonly used in the automotive industry. It is a high-strength steel that is resistant to corrosion. The thickness of ST52 to 3 mat can vary, but it is typically between 10 and 200 mm thick. So, can you cut ST52 to 3 mat 200 thick by gas cutting? Yes, you can. It is important to use the correct fuel gas and oxygen pressure. You will also need to use a cutting torch that is large enough to cut through the metal. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials on manufacturing and engineering. If you have any questions about gas cutting or BIW fixture design, please leave a comment below or contact us through our website.